We will start the chapter 3 of P3, and you can turn to page 47. In section 3.1 we will discuss the trigonometric ratios secant, cosecant and cotangent, right? So normally these are pronounced as sec, cosec and cot. So actually if you think what is sec A, actually it is 1 over cos A, right? And also cosec we'll say B, that is equal to 1 over sin B. And we know cot C, right? We can define as cot C as in another side like this, the opposite of, we'll say tan C, right? And also we can have a the basic definition. Now if you take right angle triangle, and if you say this is theta, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse, right? So sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So when you come for this, right, sec x, it will be the opposite of cos A. Another thing to remember this, if it is sec A, it will be cos. If it is C, it's going to be S. That is how you remember. And cot and tan, we have to remember that if it is cot C, 1 over tan C. So here this fellow we can write as 1 over, right, 1 over cos means adjacent over opposite, so that is equal opposite over adjacent. So this also you can remember, right? And now I will erase these things. These are basic things. No, you will remember that, right? I will erase these. So here we can say this is equal 1 over opposite here it is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's going to be hypotenuse over adjacent. So here opposite over hypotenuse, and when you simplify that you will get h over O, and this is opposite over adjacent. So the cot C, the ratio would be here 1 over, I forgot here, 1 over tan means opposite over adjacent, right? So this is equal to 1 over this one means adjacent over opposite. These things also you should remember. And if we take these ratios, we can find like this. Now I'll do an example, right? I will erase this. So if you are told to find, we'll say cot 30, right? So that is equal 1 over tan 30. So that is equal, now tan 30 we know from the table, right? The table, can you remember 30, 45, 90, 0? We discussed these things, right? So for this sin, cos, tan values are there. From here actually 1 over root 3, right? This you can find, right? So we'll do the example 1. It says to find sec 280. So this is example 1, right? Example 1, it says part A, right, to find sec 280. So we know that, right? So if it is S, it should be the opposite. So 1 over cos 280. And this also, right, this also we can actually, now you can put this into the calculator and find the answer. So I'll put the answer because now I don't have a calculator. The answer also, now we can check, it should give a positive answer. Now if we take the quadrants, right, quadrants all S T C, so 280 means, right, 280 means it will come to the here 270, here 270, and 280 comes here, so this value is going to be a positive value, right? So if you put that into the calculator, one over this one, it will give a positive answer, 5.76 3SA. You can check, right? So this is the example 1, and example 1 part B, it's asking us to find cot 150, right? Part B, cot 150. Here I will put the ratios, right? So here cosec x is equal to 1 over sin x, that we should remember, and sec x is equal to 1 over cos x, right, that we should remember. And the other one is if we say cot x, that is equal to 1 over tan x. These three things you should remember. So now they are asking us to find cot 115, right, cot 115. So this is equal to 1 over tan 115. So when you put, now here this, of course you can put this into the calculator and take it, so that the answer will come 0. minus 0.466 3SF, right? And also we can check whether this negative value is correct, right? So if you take that quadrants all, right, S T C, now we are going to find tan 115. Tan 115. So tan 115 means, now here 180, if the angle comes here 180, it is 90 is here, so the 115 is around here, right? So then only the sine value is positive, so tan 115 should be a negative value. So when you put that 1 over also negative value, this will come, so the answer is all right. Right, now in this case, now when we go to the example 2, right, example 2, they are asking us to find sec 210, right, part A, sec 210. Actually now this is when you see this, actually we can do without the calculator using the table values 30, 40, those. So I will write it. So here this is equal 1 over cos 210, right? That also we can write 1 over cos 210 is cos 180 plus 30. So when you get these kind of thing, you should know to find the exact value. So they say work out the exact values, right? Now another important thing, when they say to find the exact value, it should be in the form of root, e or pi, because those are containing the exact value. Now if you take root 3, it is the exact value, but it is roughly equal to 1.73 and some decimal places are there. So if you round it, this is not an exact value. Root 3 is exact value, and if you take pi, it is an exact value, but if you try to write as a number, it never ends. E also like that, it's a E, the symbol is an exact value, like that. So in this case they are asking us to find the exact value. So surely it, maybe you can, if it gives 1 or 2 or 3, it's all right, but you should be able to give the final answer in the form of root or pi or like that. So in this case, now if we check this, right, cos, again we have this quadrant, right? So all S T C, right? So 180 plus 30, it comes here around here 210. so that we will know. So then the only tan is positive, this is cos. Then we have to write minus, and also 180 plus that equation also we did know, so it will be cos 30. I hope you all will remember this. We did these things, right? Sine 180 plus theta is what? Then sine 180 minus theta is what? Then we did cos 180 minus plus theta, and then we discussed cos 180 minus theta, and also we discussed tan 180 plus theta, tan 180 minus theta. Please go through this and see. And I explained also 180 plus won't make a difference, but only the negative sign, our positive sign will come. So in this case 180 plus 30, 180 plus 30, so the answer would be, I will erase this, I wrote it here. So cos 30 we know, right? Cos 30 we know it is root 3 over 2. That is also from the table, right? Please, I will write it here, but you should remember, right? Remember 30, right? 45, 9, what time is 60? I mean 60, sorry, 45, 60, 90 and 0. And if you should know the sine, cos, tan values of these, right? Sine, cos, tan. So sine, these things I explained using that, right? I can remember those. Now I don't have time to explain. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 half, and this is what, 1 over root 2, right? And sine 60 is root 3 over 2, sine 90 is 1, and cos 0 is 1, and cos 90 is 0. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2, cos 45 again 1 over root 2, cos 60 half, right? I can you remember half. And if you take tan, you can take sine, this sine over cos also 0, and 30 is root 30 is the small fellow, so 1 over root 3, and this one is tan 45 is root 2, sorry, root 2 1. Tan 45 is the case of you have a right angle triangle, and 45, and this adjacent, I mean opposite sides are equal, so opposite to adjacent should be 1. Kind of this I explained everything, right? And then tan 60 is root 3, and tan 90, right, comes for infinity we say, right? So this table also you should remember, right? So from that we can take 1 over, this one is 1 over cos 30 is root 3 over 2, but negative. Then the final answer is minus 2 over root 3. We'll check the book's answer. Yeah, minus 2 over root 3, right? Now we have part B also that we will try. Part B we will try. It says to find cosec, right? Part B, cosec 3 pi over 4, right? So how are we going to tackle this, right? 3 pi over 4. I'll see the answer also, so I won't, yeah, 3 pi over 4 comes here, right? If we look at the diagram, right, like this, cos 3 pi, so if you take pi 3/4 of that, here it comes up to here, so 90 plus, that means pi, we can say it comes up to here, right? right? So here we can say this is 90 and this is 35 45. So we will write like this. This is pi over 2, half of it, and this is pi over 2, sorry, pi over 4. This one is pi over 4, half of pi over 2. Then if we add this up, we will get 2 at 3 pi over 4. So this angle is 3 pi over 4, right? So now we are supposed to find cos this one, right? Cos this one. So actually we can take that as pi minus pi over sorry, I have written the question wrong, 3 pi over 4, right? So here cosec 3 pi over 4, right? So now we can write this fellow as cosec, right? Cosec pi minus, right? Pi minus pi over 4, right? Pi over 4. And also we can turn this into our normal form. It will give sine pi minus pi over 4. And we know, I just now discussed, please write those in a paper and keep it in a side. And this one, right, we can write as this is equal to all, right, STC. So only sign is positive, so then this fellow is going to be positive. So this is equal 1 over, right, sine pi over 4. So pi over 4 means 45, right? Then 1 over root 2. So 1 over root 2. So the answer would be root 2. We'll check the book's answer. Right, root 2.